It got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful, simple and easy messy ninja bun with bangs, of course. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful, easy, bougie on budget hairstyle, just keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Subscribe, join the family, and also don't forget to like my video, comment down below, and also share with family, friends and your buddies. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. For this I'll be using the Eco Styler gel, got to be glue, a spray bottle with some styling strips. This is what I'll be working with today. I just freshly washed my hair and took out my cornrows. So I started by sectioning my hair like so, and I detangled it, spray some water on it, and then had some Eco Styler gel. You can go ahead and just put your hair together in one pony before applying the gel, but I want mine to be really slicked down, so I'll be applying gel in sections. If you want your hair to last longer and you want it to be really you know, slicked, as in slicked, you want to work in sections. If not, it will be puffy and it won't really slick down. So that's what I'll be doing here.
Back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true.
I'm spraying water to my hair before applying the gel because I don't want a bunch of products in my hair. I don't want to use too much gel in my hair. That is why I'm applying water before adding gel. Yeah.
Something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms, because pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy. Baby, I'll go to the sun and back for her. I'll go 1,000 to collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. 1,000 walls to collapse there in her arms.
After applying the Eco Styler gel all over my hair, I went ahead to use my hand to smoothen it and brush it down. I try as much as possible to use my hand to smoothen it as much as I can. And after that, I went ahead to hold my little pony down like so. And also I used the got to be gel for extra hold. That is the got to be glue I'm using to smoothing the hair down, to slick it down, to make the hair lay flat. You know how 4C hair behaves, and my hair is also short, so I have to work very well to make the hair lay flat. So after that, I'll go ahead to use my styling strips to tie my hair down like so. You can use satin bonnet or a do-rag, anyone you have. This is the one that I could find at that time, so that's what I'll be using to tie my hair down.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes.
After tying my hair down, I'll just put my little pony in a small braid and wrap it around, and then I'll be using this elastic band to hold it down. This is the braiding hair I'll be using, and I'll go ahead to cut it into two. If you have the pre-stretched braiding hair, of course you can make use of it. You can make use of anything you have. You don't have to use the exact thing or the exact product I used in this video. You can go ahead and use anything you have. So this is me pulling the extension, doing all those good stuff. I'll pull and comb it out. Yeah. This is about 4 hours after applying the gel. I went ahead to take my bath and also apply some makeup. And yeah, this is me taking out the styling strips from my head. So and this is what my ponytail came out like. It's pretty nice, really okay. I was really impressed with the outcome. Yeah, and those are the extensions I stretched. I'll be using this elastic band to attach the extensions to my hair. I'll wrap the elastic band around the extension like so to form an anchor, and that is what I'll be using to attach the extensions onto my hair.
Daisy, she is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl.
I divided my stretched extensions into two, and these are the hair that I'll be working with. So I went ahead to detangle. Make sure your extensions are really detangled if you don't want problem. Then I just attach it to my hair like so. I try to place the hair on my head in such a way that some of the hair are falling to my face, and that will be my bang. So that is what I'm just doing. When I'm satisfied with the size of the hair, I'll just go ahead and pin it down with some bobby pins. When I was done pinning the front part down, I went ahead to add the second half of my braiding hair to my hair, and then I just go ahead and start wrapping the hair around. What I'm going for is a kind of loose, messy bun. I don't want it to be too tight, but I don't want it to be too loose as well. So you guys will just see what I'm doing. You can just do whatever you want. You can make it tighter than mine, or you can make it looser than mine. This is just what I want, and that is what I'm going for. Not too tight, not too loose, just like a messy bun. Yeah.
Daisy. There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my...
After I was done with my bun, I went ahead to take out the bobby pin I used to hold the front part down, and I started combing. I combed thoroughly to distribute the hair evenly on my forehead, yeah, like so. So I tried to comb it and tried to distribute the hair evenly. This part is really important. You want to make sure that you are distributing the hair evenly at the front part of your head. If not, one side will be bulky and the other side will be scanty, and we don't want that. We want the hair to be evenly distributed. So yeah, that is what I'm just doing here. Then after that, I went ahead to start cutting. You don't want to cut too much at a time. You want to cut gradually, and you don't want to cut in a straight line. Actually, you can do what you want, but I don't want to cut in a straight line, so I try to cut in a C shape facing down. I don't know if that makes sense, if you understand me. Yeah, that is what I'm doing right here. So I'll just go ahead and trim, cut till I'm satisfied.
in my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy. Baby, I'll go to the sun and back for her love. I'll go 1,000 to collapse there in her arms.
After I was done cutting my hair, I went ahead to use my straightener to give it a little curve, and I set my straightener to the lowest. And if your straightener does not have a regulator, you can just put it on and put it off. Make sure it is not hot at all. And guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below to also let me know how I did, and also subscribe to my channel and share my video with family and friends. Thank you all so much once again, and God bless you. Bye.